calling into question witness O'Shea White's account of the K Street shooting. The three accused gunmen, brothers Smiley and DeAndre Martin, as well as Emtula Payton, sitting silent in court as White testified today.
After he left the club,
White, who we cannot show on camera, was shot twice in the early morning hours of April 3rd, 2022. DeAndre Martin's defense attorney grilling White about what he said in police interviews, claiming he was too drunk and high from the night of the shooting and also too heavily medicated to accurately describe what happened.
As you sit here now, not that you were deliberately trying to lie to someone, but you don't know whether you were telling the truth or not, correct?
I guess so, yes, ma'am.
Right, because you were under the influence of alcohol, correct?
Correct.
Influence of drugs, correct?
Marijuana, yes.
Or marijuana, yes. And that's what I meant, and I apologize. And under the influence of the trauma of having been shot, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But the district attorney's office says nothing was in White's system at that point.
Saying that you're talking to the detective 2 days after you'd last smoked or drank, safe for you to assume you're no longer high or drunk at the time that the detective is talking to you on April the 5th, correct?
Correct.
The judge stepping in when White was asked about a misdemeanor case against him.
I need to get everything out now while I have a chance.
Well, Ms. Parisi, you've gotten everything out. You've gotten everything out. There's nothing more to get out. So we need to move on.
Smiley Martin's defense attorney says White was lying about walking a friend to her car and then being confronted by a hooded man just before the shooting, showing surveillance video of a crowd between them.
Did he yell over all their heads, "Hey, you in the pink, where are you from?"
No, ma'am, but like I said, you still won't show the video of me walking Nene to her car and walking back. That's a whole gap in between all of this, and you won't show it. I'm just saying.
How about this? I can't show you something that doesn't exist.
White had been in custody for weeks to make sure he came to court to testify. Now that he's done, the judge is releasing him. Reporting in Sacramento, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.
And the preliminary hearing for the case is expected to pick up again in mid-August with testimony coming from gang experts.